Hello students, welcome again in new session. Today again we are going to talk about operator, and in previous session we discussed about this relation operator. Now today we are going to talk about the logical operator. As we can see here, we have three types of logical operator, and they are called AND, OR, NOT. So AND is written as two times ampersand or the AND symbol, or we have to put two times vertical bar, and the logical not we use here exclamation. So before we proceed with the example, let's understand what is the meaning of logical operator. Logical operator is an operator, and that operator simply says that if you have multiple conditions or the expressions and you want to combine them, then logical operator is used. I mean to say that suppose there are two conditions like A is greater than B and A is greater than C, and if we want to combine them, then we have to use logical operator. Now to understand about the AND is used when we think that all the given conditions or the taken conditions they must be true, then we have to use this and just like nested operator, logical operator also returns the value of the output in the form of 0 and 1. If we think all the conditions must be true, then we have to use this AND operator. Example we'll take after some time. Similarly, if we think that between the conditions anyone can be true, and we want to have output, then we have to use this OR. Just like OR, you see that operation in Boolean algebra. And it multiplies all the output and gives us final result, or it adds all the output whatever we have and just gives us final result. Whereas logical not, actually it reverses the output. We use here exclamation symbol, and here is an example there. So we put one condition. If the condition is true, it makes false. If it is false, then it makes true. So to understand in a better way, let's take an example of this logical operator. It will be more clear. We are taking let's take three values. C equals to 6. Okay. Let's take expressions A greater than B and A greater than C. So we can see A is 5, B is 9. So obviously A is not greater than B, then it returns 0. A is greater than C. It is also not true, so it returns 0. It also returns 0. So when we use AND operator, then this 0 returned by this one expression, and the 0 is returned by this one expression is multiplied, and we will get the 0. So let's load it. We can see here AND operator is giving us 0. Now let's do copy and paste. Next is OR operator. In OR operator, actually what happens if all the conditions we have taken there, if we think that all the conditions may not be true, anyone may be true, then we have to use OR operator. How? Just put the vertical bar here two times down. We can see A is greater than B. A is not greater than B, obviously it will return 0. A greater than C. it is also not true, so it will also return 0. So 0 plus 0, it will give you 0. Let's run it. We can see here we are getting 0. But now if we change the value, suppose a is 15 and okay, now let's save it, let's run it here. We can see both printf are giving us the same output 111. Let's understand this actually how actually this program is working. A is 15 and B is 9, so this first condition it is being true, so giving us 1. A is 15, C is 6, so again it is also being true, so it is giving us 1. It is also giving us 1, so 1 into 1 will get 1, so we are getting here 1. So I think you are clear about this one. Now let's go for the second one. So our operator A is greater than B. Obviously this condition is being true, so we'll get 1 for this one. A is greater than C. Again this condition is also being true, so we'll get 1. So 1 plus 1 will get 1. So we are getting here 1. So it's very simple to understand OR operator and AND operator. So in summary, what we can say that or understand that if all the conditions must be true in our program, we have to use AND, that is this one. If we think that suppose we have 5 conditions and any one condition may be true, then we have to go for OR. So it's very simple. Now let's go for the NOT operator. NOT operator just reverses the output given by the NOT operator. A is 15. Let's take an example of 15. Suppose if we put here A equals to 15. We have already used this one in relation operator. Now what would happen if we run the program? We can see we are getting 1 NOT operator, means A is 15 and we have taken A is 15 here, means condition is being true, so it is returning us 1. Now NOT operator simply says there reverses the output. Output is 1, this is 1, so if we put here exclamation, it reverses the output. Now we'll get 0, just like not equal to in relation operator. We can say here before that actually A was 1, now it is giving us 0, means it reverses the output. It just inverts, we can say. So in this way we can understand about the AND operator, OR operator and NOT operator. These are called logical operator, and so we get the logical value, that is 0 and 1 depending upon the conditions we are supplying. I hope actually you are clear now. You have understood the meaning of this logical operator. If you have any confusion, then just put your confusion or the doubts in the comment box. I'll make you clear. And some more examples we'll see about the logical operator and relation operator in upcoming sessions. For now, thank you. Goodbye.